Okay, the first step is to add 3 to both sides. So this eliminates the 3 on the left and gives you a positive 3 on the right. Next, we want to divide by 2 on both sides to get rid of the 2 coefficient in front of the y squared term. The result is y squared minus 3y equals 3 halves. And we're going to add a box to each side. What goes in the box will be determined by completing the square. And we go to the next line to write the other side of the completing the square equation. And we get something squared there, so there's y minus something goes here. And what goes there is half of 3. 1/2 times 3 is 3 halves. When you square the 3 halves, squaring the 3 halves, you get 3 halves times 3 halves is 9/4. So I had to add 9/4 to both sides of the equation up above. 3 halves is the same as 6/4. 6/4 plus 9/4 adds up to 15/4. Now we invoke that square root property, so we can write this as y minus 3 halves equals plus or minus the square root of 15/4, which is plus or minus the square root of 15 divided by the square root of 4, which is 2. And so finally, all I have to do is add 3 halves to both sides. Adding 3 halves to both sides, we get that y is equal to 3 halves plus or minus the square root of 15 halves. And notice that they have the same denominator, so we can combine these under a common denominator and write it as 3 plus or minus the square root of 15 over that common denominator of 2. So this time our quadratic equation has two real solutions. One by taking the plus sign in the middle there, and the other by taking the minus. 2 real numbered solutions to this quadratic equation.